Hello everybody, how are you my kids? How are you doing? Today we'll see, let's say, how can we convert from, let's say, fraction to decimals, okay, and from, let's say, decimal to percentage and vice versa, okay. Means that we'll try to convert from fraction to decimals, then from decimal to fractions, and then from decimal to percentage, and at the last part from percentage to decimal, then to fraction, okay. For example, we can say that this is a fraction, okay. Why, my kids? Because this is the numerator, okay, this is numerator, okay, and this one, my kids, is denominator, okay. So fraction, as you already know, that has numerator and denominator, okay. Any fraction like that, 13 divided by 100 is a fraction, okay. Then 3 divided by 5 is a fraction also. 3 divided by 10 is a fraction. 2 divided by 5 also is a fraction. 7 divided by 20 is a fraction, okay. Why? Because it has numerator and denominator. The value of the numerator is 7 and the value of the denominator is 20. Now, my kids, we will try to give or to write, okay, take pen and paper and try to write some fractions. For example, let's start 2 divided by 10, for example, okay, or 3 divided by 7 is also a fraction. We can also write 5 divided by, yes, by 9, okay. Another example, 20, yes, divided by 21, for example, is a fraction, okay. For example, 31 divided by 30, okay, is improper fraction. At the end, it is gonna be a fraction. And the last example, my kids, so can give it to me. Yes, for example, 1 divided by 2, okay, or 3 divided by 4, and so on. So you can construct so many fractions, okay. Okay, we continue, my kids. Let's now try to convert this fraction to decimals, okay. For example, 3 divided by 10 is 0 point, very good, 0.3, okay. Then 13 divided by 100, it will be equal to what? 0 point what? 0 point, very good, 0 0.13, excellent, okay. The next example, 3 divided by, I will write here, 3 divided by 5, okay. In order to show the denominator as 100, you should multiply this, the numerator and the denominator, by 20 to get 100, okay. We should multiply the denominator by 20 and the numerator also by 20, okay. So this one equal what? 20 multiplied by 360. I will just write 60, okay, divided by 20 by 5 is 100. Good boy, excellent, okay. So this one, it can be written as, it's very easy now, it's 0.60, or you can also write equal to 0.6, okay. Both numbers, both answers are correct, okay. Then 3 divided by 10, my kids, yes, you can write as, it's easy, it's 0.3, okay, 0.3, or equal also 0.30, okay, 0. This is a point, my kids, okay, 0.30, okay. Then the next one, my kids, what we have, Okay, we have 2 divided by 5. You can multiply now this by by 2, and this is also by 2. Okay, so this is, it will be 4 divided by 10. So now you can change this to decimals. It will be 0 0.4, and also equal to what? Equal also 0.40. Okay, 0.40. Okay, let's continue. We told that. Now my kids, we will try to finish the last one, the last example. Okay, 7 divided by 20, my kids. Okay, you will multiply what? You will multiply this by 5. Okay, good boy. And also the denominator by 5. Okay, so this one, my kids, equal to 7 by 5 is 35. Okay, then 20 by 5 is 100. So now you can write it as a decimal. It will be 0.35. Okay, 0.35. Okay, now you can at least convert from fractions to decimals. Okay, let's do another exercise. Now we'll try to convert these fractions to percentage. Okay, you know that percentage has a denominator of 100. Okay, so we'll try to write all these fractions as a denominator equal 100. Okay, all of these fractions we'll try to write the denominator as 100. Okay, so we'll start the first one. Okay, just a moment, I will erase this. Okay, gum. Okay, okay, now my kids, we continue. We have, so 30 divided by 100 is what? Is 30%. Okay, is 30%. Then 4 divided by 10 is 40 also percent. Okay, is 40%. Why, my kids? Because we can write 4 multiplied by 10. 4 multiplied by 10 is 40, and this is also multiplied by 10 is 100. So it will be 40 divided by 100 is 40. Okay, the next one, this one I will try to multiply by what? By, yes, by 2, and here also. Okay, we continue. So we told that in order to change these fractions to decimals, okay, we should do what? We should multiply the denominator by a number so that it will be equal to 100. So the numerator we multiplied by what? We multiplied by 2, so we should also the denominator multiply by 2, my kids. Okay, so it will be equal to 2 by 2 is 4. Okay, 50 by 2 is 100. Okay, so this one equal to what, my kids? It will be equal to 4%. Okay, 4%. Okay, okay, the next example, 3 over 4 is, yes, you can write it now as a decimal, is 0.75. Okay, 0.75. Then 0.75 is equal to what as as this is a decimal, as percentage gives 75%. Okay. Okay, then 1 over 2, you can multiply this, my kids, by 50, and the denominator also by 50. Okay, you will get what? You will get 50 divided by 100. 50 divided by 100. Okay, equal what? Equal 50%. Equal 50%. Okay, equal 50%. Okay, then the last one, 3 divided by 20. I will multiply this by what, my kids? By 5. Okay, and the denominator by 5. Why? To get the denominator, to get the value of the denominator that is equal to 100. Okay, so the denominator now is 100, and 5 by 3 is 15. The value of the numerator is 15. So 15 divided by 100 is 0.15 equal what? 0.15 equal 15%. Okay, my kids, equal 15%. Okay, so now you can convert from decimals. Okay, we continue, my kids. Now we have another question. Okay, the question is, try to convert what? Who can read the question? Yes, okay, good boy. Try to convert these decimals to percentage. Okay, so the first one, my kids, is what? Is 0.12. Okay, 0.12, you will just write 12 divided by 100. Okay, if the question told you that you should write your answer in its simplest form, so you should write as this: 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 100 divided by 4 is 25. So this one is the question is write an answer as what? As in its simplest form. Then now we move to percentage. Okay, we'll use the first one, of course, this one. Okay, so 12 divided by 100 is 12%, my kids. Okay, 12%. Okay, the next one, 0.2. Okay, equal what, my kids? Yes, it will be 2 divided by 10. Okay, then you can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10. Okay, multiply here by 10 and here by 10, you will get 20 divided by 100. Okay, so these are called equivalent fraction. Okay, so 20 divided by 100, my kids, is what? Is 20%. Okay, is 20%. Okay, the next one, the next example, 0.75, it will be equal to 75 divided by 100. Okay, it will be equal to 75 divided by 100. Okay, 100 equal what, my kids? Equal 75%. Okay, 75%. Okay, so the next one, this one, my kids, equal what? 0.50 is 50%. Good boy, is 50%. Okay, okay, the next one, the next example is what? Yes, I'm looking for you for your answer. So 0.33, my kids, I will just write this on the numerator, then I will divide it by 100. Okay, this one, my kids, is 33 divided by 100 is what? Is equal to 33%. Very good. Good boy. Okay, then the next example, my kids, we have 0.89. I will write 89 divided by 100. Okay, equal what? This is decimals, this one decimals, this is a fraction. Okay, this is a fraction, and now I will convert to what? To percentage. It will be 89%. Okay, 89%. Okay, 89%. The next one example, the next example, my kids, 0.3. I will write it as 3 divided by 10. Okay, then I can, from here I can change it to percentage, but I will multiply this by 10. 3 by 10 is 30. Then 10 by 10, my kids, is 100. Okay, 30 divided by 100, my kids, it's clear, that is 30%. Okay, I wish you got the point, my kids. How can you convert from fraction to decimal, then decimal to percentage, then percentage to decimal, and vice versa? Okay, the last example, we have 0.7. I will just write 7 divided by 10. Okay, then I will write this as 70 divided by 10. Why? Because 7 multiplied by 10 gives 70, then 10 multiplied by 10 gives 100. So the last answer is 70 divided by 100. This is a fraction. I will convert to what? To percentage. Okay, to percentage. Okay, so it will be 70%. 70, yes, 70%. Okay, thank you for listening, my kids. I want you to write the lesson and understand, okay, the lesson. If you miss some problems, don't